The Layer Manager is a palette, and it is the main format for creating and maintaining your drawings layers. It's also where you can go to manipulate them. Let's open up an example file. Let's look at the architectural example imperial drawing. Now you can get to the Layer Manager a couple of different ways. You can type in the word layer, or you can just type in LA, or you can click on the Layer Properties button right here. Now the Layer Manager is a palette, so it has all the features of a palette. It can be docked, it can be stretched, it can be moved around, it can be hidden, etc. It has scroll bars in it because it contains a lot of different information. Any changes that you make in the Layer Manager are completed in real time. That means as soon as you change the layer property or state, your drawing is instantly updated. This allows you to keep the Layer Manager open at all times if that's what you choose to do. You can also dock it from side to side if you so choose. So I'm going to make some changes here just to demonstrate to you what it looks like when you make changes. So I clicked on the wall layer, which is the layer for our walls, and it's the color red. I'm going to change the color red. You just click on the color, and then the color palette comes up. Find the layer you want it to be, select it, click OK, and all of your walls are instantly changed. It works the same way with line type and line weight and any of the other settings that you may want to use in your Layer Manager. The Layer Manager is where you'll go to create new layers, to change the names of them, or you can even turn them on, turn them back on, or you can even freeze them. You can lock a layer. If I lock a layer, it kind of gets faded. And every time I hover over an object on that layer, you see a little glyph that comes up in your crosshairs. It looks like a locked lock. Well, that means that I can't do anything to these objects because the layer is locked. So if I select them, which I can do, I can't erase them. It won't let me. Same thing here with the move command. I can't move them. So that's one way to protect your line work, is through locking your layers. It's a very useful tool. When you're done with the Layer Manager, just click on the X and you can come back to your work, and it doesn't take up any room. If you're using multiple monitors, the Layer Manager is something you might want to have open up on your second screen. That's the way I work, but not everyone. It's okay. You can work with it. You can always get to it very easily. Just type in LA, it's there, and close it, and it's gone again.